Have you ever got to a location with your drone, you take your drone out of the bag, you get your controller and you think, right, I'm going to take some fantastic footage in this area. And then your mind goes blank about what drone moves to even do. You completely forget. So you end up just doing the standard ones again and again. The forward shots, the reverse shot, the sideways shots, maybe an orbit shot. And that's about it. And then you just do those same moves in every single location because it's quite hard to remember the more complex, the more complicated moves. And those moves are the ones that actually look the best. Well, thankfully, I've thought of a solution to this. There are so many drone moves, and these are the moves that you see in different videos on YouTube and Instagram to be able to make your footage look even better. So we're not just talking the very basic moves like the top down, the forward, the reveal. You know, we want to go and actually explore different ones. But if I was to say to you how to do certain moves, right, I want you to press top right on the right stick, bottom left on the left stick, and then forwards rotation on that right stick on the gimbal here, you'd be like, what the hell are you talking about? And there are so many different moves to do and practice. But how are you going to remember all these when you're out in the field? So to combat this, I'm excited to launch to you today my brand new cheat sheets, and these are the ultimate drone moves. 25 of the top drone moves that you can take with you wherever you go and practice all of these. And these just aren't basic moves. Some of these are really advanced. And what's great about these is it's all fully described in the middle here. And on the side, you've got a picture of the actual controller with arrows showing you which stick movement to do at which time. And then on the other side here, you'll see that it is double-sided, these cards. And there's also a star icons on the side of every single one of the drone moves. And this shows you the actual hardness level. So some are for beginners. Like if we look here now, we've got the first one, which is just 1 star out of 5. And they go all the way up to like 4 and 5 stars. And some of these are really tough, like a rotation push in, which shows you exactly what to do. So it shows you on the left stick what to do, on the right stick what to do, when to do things simultaneously. Every single one of these, it's going to show you in full detail. What's great as well is that these are going to come in 2 different options. So like before, you can go and download these now off my website. There'll be a link at the top of the description, and then you can have these stored on your phone or your iPad, and you've got them digitally available straight away. All for the first time, what I'm doing is these going to come as a physical product. So you're going to be able to get these posted out to you. And these are A5 size, so a lot more detail. They're in high res, so the text and font, everything just looks absolutely super sharp and brilliant. And they're in gloss, high quality card. So you're going to get the drone moves all on these double-sided cards. You're also going to get an ND filter guide and then a grey sheet as well, which talks about the tips and some extra advice relating to how to get the very most out of your drone moves. And these are going to come as free shipping anywhere in the world, and these are available on my website as well. So you've got 2 options now, physical or digital. So these are going to be absolutely fantastic. Store these in your camera bag, go to these locations and actually think, right, today I want to actually go and practice this move here. So it's a level 4, so it's quite difficult, but I'm going to spend 10 minutes practicing this. Right, so I'm going to get my controller now. I know exactly which combination to do in this here, and I'm going to go out and practice it. And then maybe go and have a look on the other side and go, right, I want to actually go and practice this one now. And this will allow you to actually get so much better, because remembering all of these different drone moves is literally impossible. You'll end up doing the same ones again and again. So these drone moves can be used on any of the cinematic drones. So whatever drone you have, go and pick up these, and I'm sure they will really help you out. Always have these with you in your camera bag. You're never then going to forget the different drone moves to do. And I guarantee you will learn some drone moves here that you've never even heard of. So I really do appreciate it. You pick any of these up, it really does help support the channel, and I really want you to get the very most out of your drone flying as well. Hence why I've created this. There's also going to be 20% off as well for the first 24 hours on either of these products. So make sure you go in quick if you want to save 20%. I really do appreciate it once again. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.